Hi our friends, I have come back to you with a new video. If you haven't watched my previous videos, please come back and watch because this video is a series. So we need to continue what we have started from the beginning. So if you have watched from the beginning, I have teach you to say that hello is مرحبا in Arabic and how are you is كيف الحال. So now I can simply say you مرحبا كيف الحال and you will understand me. Also you'll be able to reply because I taught you the emotion. So what was the reply of كيف الحال? Right, it's بخير, أنا سعيد, أنا حزين, أنا غاضب. Awesome. Okay, so as I promised you in the previous video that I will be teaching you to count from 10 to 100. But that was under one condition. If you mastered from 0 to 10 and you promised me to master, so let's see now if you have done that. What was 0? It was صفر. Correct. And what about 1? واحد. Perfect. 2? اثنان. Amazing. 3? ثلاثة. 4? Correct, it's أربعة. And what about 5? خمسة. Awesome. And 6? ستة. 7? سبعة. 8? ثمانية. And 9? تسعة. And finally 10 was 10. Perfect. And as now you have mastered from 0 to 10, we can go forward and start with 11. So now I want to tell you that the numbers are very related. So 11, as it is 1, 1, so this one is 10, right? So 10 in Arabic we said it's 10, correct. So we'll just remove the ta marbuta, we'll say 10. And about the first number, which is 1, what was 1? واحد. Awesome. So we will make a slight change with واحد and make it أحد. أحد عشر. Only with واحد and اثنين there will be slight change, then we will go very smoothly. You will be even able to guess what is the next step. So أحد عشر is 11. اثنا عشر is 12. اثنا, it was اثنين, we just removed, or اثنان, we just removed noon and we made it اثنا عشر. Then you will see now when we go to 13 how the things will be more easier even. So what is 3? It's ثلاثة. So we'll take ثلاثة, we'll add عشر, it will become ثلاثة عشر. Can you guess what is 14 according to what we have done with 13? Awesome. You will take أربعة, you will add عشر and it will become أربعة عشر, which is 14. Perfect. We are going very nicely. So let's go now to 15. 15 it will be, we'll take خمسة, we'll add عشر, خمسة عشر. 16 will be the same. What will we take? ستة and add عشر. ستة عشر. 17 سبعة عشر. 18 ثمانية عشر. 19 تسعة عشر. Perfect. So 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. Now I request you to stop the video and try to say the numbers from 0 to 19 again and master them. Then play the video again and let's continue with 20 and so on. Okay, so now as you stop the video and you mastered from 0 to 19, we can continue. But before we continue, I want to remind you that if you want to learn Arabic online, you can contact us on the below number and join us in our courses. Okay, so let's continue now. Now we reach 20. 20 is عشرون. If you only memorize this عشرون, you will be able to count till 30 or 29 very easily. So عشرون. عشرون. Repeat after me. عشرون. Perfect. Okay, so now what will we do? We'll just take what we have learned before. 1. What was 1 again? واحد. Okay, so we'll take واحد and we'll put it with 20 by adding wa. Wa is and. So it's only wa. Wow. So it will be واحد وعشرون. Then we'll not change anything. You remember in 11 we have changed in واحد, we have made it أحد عشر, then اثنا عشر. Here nothing will be changed. واحد وعشرون, then اثنان وعشرون. As we said, 2 is اثنان. So what do you think 23 is? Yeah, we'll take ثلاثة, we'll add و, then we'll add 20. So 21, 22, 23. Perfect. Okay, 24, 24, 25, 25. What about 26? Let's guess. I will give you some time. 26. Perfect. And 27? Yeah, you don't need to wait for me because it's following the same rule. It will be very easy for you to guess and it will be better also. Yeah, correct. It's 27. We're taking the 7, which is 7. We're adding wa, then we're adding 20. And then what is 28? Exactly. We'll take 8. We'll add wa, which is and, as we said, and then we'll add 20. 29. 29. Perfect. Very easy, right? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Stop the video again and try to repeat them. Okay, now let's continue. So we'll have now 30. So 30 is more easy than 20. Why? Because you'll take the 3, which is ثلاثة. You will remove the ta marbuta. You will add waw and noon. Waw and noon is the plural tool actually in Arabic. You will know that later. So now let's say ثلاثون. ثلاثون instead of ثلاثة. Very easy, right? You can relate. It's very similar. ثلاثون. And then guess what will we do? We'll do exactly what we did with 20. So واحد, again wa, which is and, 30, 32, 3 و30. What is 34? Correct. 34. Perfect. And what is 35? 35. 36. What was 6? Yes, it was 6. 6 و30. And what is 37? Absolutely correct. 37. And 38? 38. And 39 will be 39. Now we know how to count from 0 to 39. Let's go to 40. 40 will follow the same rule of 30. As we did, we took ثلاثة, we added waw and noon. Now we'll take 4. Again, we'll remove the ta marbuta. We'll add waw and noon. And we'll go again with the same flow. So it will be واحد وأربعون, which is 41. What is 42? I don't need even to tell you, right? It's اثنان وأربعون. Then 43 will be ثلاثة وأربعون. 44 4 45. Yeah, we'll take 5, which is 5 وأربعون. Then 6 وأربعون. 7 وأربعون. 8 وأربعون. And 9 وأربعون, which is 49. So till now you know how to count from 0 to 49. 50 will be following the same rule also, which is 5. We'll remove the ta marbuta, we'll add waw noon as we did with 40 and 30, and we'll continue. So, as I promised you the previous video, I will be teaching you to count from 10 till 50. Next video will continue till 100. Stay tuned and watch all the videos in order not to miss any information because all of them are in a series. Thank you so much. Shukran jazilan. Bye bye.
Emtees Academy.